What's up friends? In this video I'm going to show you how to add GIFs in your Figma design. To add GIFs, just simply click the main menu on the upper left and go down to where it says plugins. Here you can see that I have GIFs. But how do I get it? This is inserted from a plugin. So all you have to do is click on manage plugin and you can search for whatever you want. So in my case I type in GIFs, for example, or whatever it is, and I find it, and you can click on it. And in your case, if you're doing it for the first time, it will ask you to basically run that plugin. I'm going to show you once more by using a new plugin. So let's go to plugins, manage plugins, and if I want, for example, GIF, you will see that it finds different type of GIFs. So for example, I can find Giphy. I can click on that, and here you can see it says run. So I click on that, it's gonna load it in, and I can just basically use whatever I want from it. So I'm gonna just choose something random. You can always search for whatever. So let's scroll down. Let's say I wanted to use this, for example. I can click on it, and then you will have the option to insert into Figma. I'm going to click on insert into Figma, and it's going to add into my design, right? You have your size as well that you can adjust and so forth, and you can insert it directly. And you can see right here in the back, it inserts, right? And all you have to do really is just go ahead and, if you want to make adjustment here on the right, you do it. Otherwise, close out and you have your design here. You can always go ahead. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple. How to insert GIFs in your Figma design.